Welcome to this tutorial on statistics and probability. Today, we are going to clear up a very common confusion, the difference between a histogram and a bar chart. They look similar, but they tell very different stories about your data. Let's start with the bar chart. A bar chart is used for categorical data. This means data that falls into distinct groups or names. For example, if you ask people their favorite fruit, the answers are categories like apples, bananas, or grapes. There is no math connecting an apple to a banana. Now let's look at a histogram. A histogram is used for continuous data. This is data that involves numbers and measurement, like height, weight, or time. Instead of distinct names, we group the numbers into ranges, which we call bins. For example, how many people are between 0 and 10 years old, then 10 to 20 years old, and so on. The core difference lies in the data type. Categorical data, for bar charts, represents separate groups like pizza toppings or car brands. Continuous data, for histograms, represents a flow of numbers where every value is possible, like temperature or income. Here is the easiest visual way to tell them apart. Look at the gaps. In a bar chart, there are spaces between the bars because the categories are separate. In a histogram, the bars touch each other. This touching indicates that the numbers flow continuously from one range to the next, without any breaks. Another key difference is the order. In a bar chart, you can rearrange the bars however you like, maybe alphabetically or from tallest to shortest. It doesn't change the data. In a histogram, you cannot change the order. The numbers must go in sequence, like 1, 2, 3. You cannot put age 20 before age 10. Pay attention to the width of the bars, too. In a bar chart, the width is just a design choice. But in a histogram, the width has meaning. It represents the interval size. A wider bar covers a larger range of numbers, so you have to be careful when reading it. So, which one should you choose? Just ask yourself, what is my data? If you have names or separate categories, use a bar chart. If you have numbers or ranges where you want to see the distribution, use a histogram. It is that simple. Let's recap. Bar charts are for categories, have gaps, and can be reordered. Histograms are for continuous numbers, have no gaps, and the order is fixed. Keep this table in mind next time you are visualizing your data. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you understand when to use a histogram versus a bar chart. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more easy guides on statistics and probability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.